Hello YouTube watchers and subscribers, I've got a little unboxing here for you today, and what I'm unboxing, as you can see here, will be a car protect anti-theft device. That's what this is, yeah. Although I've got a Tesla, it doesn't really matter. A thief's a thief and they'll try and get into your car. Yeah, things are getting bad in the UK, guys. It is getting bad. So I saw this manual lock, and I thought, although I've got a Tesla and I've got pin to drive, which is really, really good, because obviously if you want to drive the car, you've got to input my pin first, and then the car will move. But you know how these guys are. They've got all these gadgets now that can bypass certain things. I don't hear of much Teslas getting stolen, but even so, I thought I'd get this. I got it on Amazon, guys. Obviously, the links will be in the description if you want to have a look at it and check it out if you think it's good enough for you to want to get one. And there was a discount on it. I think it's about 50 quid, and I think it's about 70 or 80 quid. I'll have to have a look now. But yeah, again, links will be in the description to this if you wish to purchase one. Basically, what they say is, it's not about something not being stolen. It's about giving the thieves a harder time doing it. That's all it is, guys. You know, it's just about giving thieves a harder time doing what they are trying to do. So, I don't know what this is, but anyway, it's got one little Phillips screwdriver, and I don't know what that is, a pin, we'll find out. Yeah, it's all about basically, guys, making it hard for thieves to take things. That's all it is, really. And as such, that's why I got this. As I said, although I've got a Tesla Model Y and it's got all the gadgets on it, pin to drive, etc. Thieves are thieves. They got technology as well that can try and bypass these things. So I decided to get this, to clamp it to my steering wheel, just to have a thief walk by and go, do you know what? Yep, I want that car for whatever reason, but it's a little bit hard to get because this is on it. I'm gonna go for one that's easier to get. It's like having an alarm in your house, guys. A thief can break into your house even though you've got an alarm. Of course, if they want to get in, they want to get in. You hear of famous people, footballers especially, they've got enough money to have the best alarm that you could ever want to get. And you still hear of their properties getting broken into. And I'm thinking, how did they get broken into? Haven't they got the bee's knees alarm system connected up there? Or the best safe that you could get? So yeah, that's it. The thief wanted to get in. They weren't bothered. They want to get in. And as such, they did. But for Joe Blogs like me and you, we put it there to have the thief go to a different property, because most thieves are fly-by-night thieves. They're the type of people that they just want to break into a house to grab something, to sell the stuff and sell it off for whatever. You know, I hate to say it, but sometimes it's drugs, sometimes it's just to steal things to make money. You know, there's all different reasons why fly-by-night thieves that just walk around at night looking for the easiest opportunity do it. So having something like this and an alarm system and a CCTV system, it's not to stop them breaking in. You'll never do that. A thief will get in. If they want something in your house, they'll get in. What you're trying to do is to push them away from you, because they believe that other houses are easier. Yep, they are easier. That's all you're trying to do. So your chances come down a bit, you know what I mean? You know, you don't look like an easy target. That's what it's all about, guys. Stopping your property becoming an easy target. So let's have a look at this and see what this does that can make it a little bit harder for a wannabe thief to decide to want to steal your vehicle. Look, that's how it looks, guys. And the reason why I got this, as you can see, some of them are keys, and I don't really carry keys. I don't like walking around with keys, yeah? I mean, my car, the Tesla, I don't need a key for that. My front doors, I don't need a key for any of those. So I don't really like having keys on me. I like to be able to get in and out of wherever I want to get in and out to or from without no keys. So let's have a look at the instructions, guys. English, after stopping the vehicle, select the correct combination to align with both notches. Let both end of the lock cross the steering wheel ring. Tool the lock on both ends and dial the password to make the lock unable to open. So as you can see, it's as easy as that to use. For ladies, it's very, very light. It's not heavy at all. I mean, it's got a bit of weight to it. Don't get me wrong. It's not a light thing, but at the same time, it's not heavy. I had one a few years ago and that thing was a beast, absolute beast. I've actually got a steering lock that covers the whole steering wheel, and that is a beast because it's an all metal cover that covers the whole wheel. Obviously that is like a gold standard lock, yeah. I mean, that's very, very hard to get into. This thing, I don't even know if it's got a rating, to be quite honest with you. A thief would maybe break this in a few minutes or whatever, or you know, that's what you want anyway, give or take a few minutes to get that off, yeah. But the one that I've got, another one that I've got, which is the whole steering wheel cover, that's very, very good. The problem with that is it weighs a ton. It is heavy, guys, because it's all metal and it just covers the whole steering wheel. So that's the problem with that one. The other problem for me, I've got a trapezoid type steering wheel. It's not round, yeah, because I like tinkering with my car, and when I tinker I seem to change things and it doesn't work as it used to. So I can't use that steering lock anymore, that's a full cover steering wheel lock, because it doesn't fit really. So I've got this. Now let's set the password. So that's the screwdriver and that's the coder. The initial password is 000, as we can see there, so that's fine. Remove the cover with the screwdriver. So I've got to take, that's it, take that off. Take that screw off to take the cover off. So let's get this off, guys. Yeah, oh, that was quite simple. Let's screw that off. So that screw comes off. Let me put it there so I can see it. And then, oh God, let's get this paper here, because I need to read it. So I've taken that off. Use the tool, remove the protective cover, obviously. Let's take this off. So that comes off quite simple. So that comes off. Use the tool to adjust to the set position. Turn the code wheel and select your password. So I'm going to turn this now. Turn the code and select your password. The new password must be aligned with the alignment line. So the alignment line, I presume, is this here, the black, yeah, because that was all the zeros. So now it's all changed. It's quite solid, guys. There's a nice solid click to it. So yeah, let's get my password. I'm just gonna set it to say 111. You know, let's see how this. So use the tool to adjust the set position. Oh, let me put it to 111 first. Sorry, 000 first, and then use this tool to. Oh, you've got to move it over. So I've moved it over there, guys. So you slide it over, then you set this. I'm going to put 111. Yeah, 111. Yeah, 51. So I've just set them all ones. Now I'm going to push that back over. Right, so I've pushed that back over. I'm going to pretend that I've put all that back, but I haven't. So now it's at 111. As you can see, it opens up. Now if I put it to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, or just a few zeros, that's locked, guys. That is locked. See? So I've moved it from 0, 0, 0, and it's locked. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All open. As easy as that, guys. Very, very simple. That is very, very simple, guys. And there's a nice spongy foam feel here. So it's quite, you know, quite a nice, yeah, very, very nice. I must say, I am very, very pleased with this. Very, very light. Guys, I'm not going to tell you what to do with this. You know how it goes. You got these angry drivers sometimes that are out there, and road rage, as they say. You don't want to have this when you got a bit of road rage, guys, because this thing is very, very easy to pick up. Look at it, it's a beast of a thing. Oh my god. Anyway, I shouldn't be saying that. Don't want to give anybody no ideas. So hey, that's it, guys. Very, very good bit of kit. I'll leave it there. Hope you like it, to mull over whether to get one or not. Very, very good bit of kit. So until the next video, I'll catch you guys later.